Hello. So, this is the first of the videos for Crafty Chat because we can't meet on a Friday at the moment. And the first thing we're going to do is make a Mother's Day card. You can use this technique for any card you ever want to make. It's a very good one. And it's lots of fun. So what you'll need is some card. You can either use just some plain card, or I'm using some old greetings cards. These are old Christmas cards. You'll need a pair of scissors, something to make marks with and draw with. I'm using a pen, and some card for decorating. You'll also need either double-sided tape or the trusty old PVA glue. And that's it. So gather those things together, guys. Get your parents' permission, please, before you make anything. And I'll see you back here when we're ready to start. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is take one of the greetings cards. You'll need two if you're using these. So take the first one, fold it in half, and then I'm going to cut a line up there and up there, so that I can fold this bit in. Make sure they're equal if you can, they're even, they go up to the same point. And then I'm going to undo the card and push just that bit so that it folds inwards. And then I'm going to fold the card back up, okay, like that. So it makes this sort of shape. So basically what we've done, we've pushed this bit where we made the cuts in and folded it. So you just do that on one of them, then unfold. Then I'm going to take some card that I like for covering up this old pattern. So I'm going to cover it in pink card, and to do that I'm going to put glue all over here, or you can use double-sided tape, which is what I'm going to do. All over here. So let's see. Now, it's important when you're using scissors to be very careful. So if you see me do anything silly with my scissors, tell me in the comments box below. Now I'm going to put the sticky tape on this line here where the hinge is, and also here. And then I'm going to do all around the edge as well. And on this side of the hinge as well. Okay, and then I'm going to peel all of these backs off the sticky tape. Now this takes me a while, so I will meet you back when I've peeled all of these coverings off. Okay, so now that my tape is sticky, I'm going to take my piece of card and I'm going to line it up with the edge just here and stick it on like that. Then I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to cut out around the edge here and along these two lines that I cut before. Okay, so that means the inside of the card is covered, and you can fold it again. Now you do the same thing for this card with covering it, but we're not going to have to cut out the shape, we're just going to cover this picture here. So that's much easier. You're just going to take your glue or your double-sided tape and watch me struggle to take this off. And we're just going to stick this on like that. And then we're going to cut that out as well. Notice how I'm using the edge of the paper so that I save paper. I don't have to use all the paper. If I stuck it right in the middle, I'd waste a lot. Okay, so now put this to one side, and you're going to take, oh, that was a big noise, sorry. You're going to take this card, and this is going to be the outside, like that, and this is going to be the inside. So now you can choose, do you want the pink on the front, or the colour you've done on the front, or on the back? Okay, so I would like mine on the front, and then I take this one and I put it inside like that. And then guess what we're going to do? We're going to glue them together. I'm using sticky tape again. Well, double-sided sticky tape in actual fact. Now this bit's really important, pay attention. You do not want any sticky tape on this bit here that curves in, otherwise it won't work properly. So, all around the edge is how I'm going to do it. Oh, you can't see, sorry. All the way around the edge. You don't actually need a very thick piece of tape, so I'm taking mine and cutting it in half just to make it go a little bit further. And remember, no glue here. So then I'll peel all those off and stick this one on. It's going to take me a while, so I'll meet you back when I've peeled all these off. Okay, so you stick this on the top. You're going to be careful to line up the edges so it looks nice. And now you should have a little pop-up card. See? Pops up. So we're going to make a design for the front and a design for the inside. So for the inside, I'm going to make a little heart that pops up when my mother opens it. And to do that, I take a piece of card. I like this mirror card. I might actually save that for the front. So I'm going to take the red. I'm going to measure to make sure it fits inside my card. So I need a pen just to see that it fits inside. Okay, I know it fits that way, This is to make sure it fits that way. And to make sure I don't make my heart too big, I'm going to cut that off. Okay, so now the design is going to be there. When she opens the card, it's going to pop up like that. So what I need to do is make sure that half of my design is folded, because at the moment if I stuck my design there, when I fold the card closed, the design is all poking out, which doesn't look very good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my piece of card on the end like that, and then I'm going to fold, and you see, so this bit's getting folded, and that will tell me, that line will tell me where my design has to be glued down. So now I'm going to draw a nice big heart on there. Best way to do it, in my opinion, is to, like this, draw one side of your heart, cut it out, when you open it you have a heart that's symmetrical. So I've still got the little line in the bottom, look, and now that will sit there, and it will, I will glue it at the bottom and here. So I'm going to glue it to here. I will show you how. Some glue here, or tape, or whatever you're using, and some here. Spend ages trying to peel these bits off. Take the heart, match up the fold in the heart with the fold on the card, like that, and then close it tight. Give it a rub. And now when I open my card, ta-da! It's a pop-up heart, and it looks lovely. And we can write here or here. You can also do some more decoration here if you want to. I'm going to leave mine like that. So now we'll decorate the front. Now I'm going to put some nice pretty mirror card on the front. You can use whatever you have at home to make the front look pretty. So decorate the front how you want your card to be, and then it will be finished, and we'll meet back and I'll show you how mine looks. So here's my finished card. Have a heart on the front, shiny bit of mirror board, and a heart inside. I realise I should have done my heart the other way up, shouldn't I? But my mum will think it's cute. So I'm going to write it and give it to my mum for Mother's Day. See you all in the next video.